Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Squarespace checkout payments for subscriptions step by step clearly. To verify Squarespace checkout payments for subscriptions, open your Squarespace account and log in. Navigate to the home menu on the left. Select the commerce option from the menu. Click on orders to view your order list. Locate the subscription order you want to verify. Click on the order to view its details. Check the payment status to ensure it is marked as paid. Review the order summary for item details and confirm the customer's information, including their name and email address. Look for the transaction ID associated with the payment. If the payment is via Stripe, click on the transaction ID to view more details. Verify the payment confirmation on the Stripe dashboard for accuracy. Check the fulfillment status of the subscription item. Make sure the customer has received a confirmation email. If there are any discrepancies, investigate further under the Payments tab. Ensure that the payment processor settings are correctly configured in your Squarespace account. If necessary, reach out to the customer for additional information. Once everything checks out, you can proceed to manage the subscription settings as needed. This completes the verification process for Squarespace checkout payments for subscriptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.